Hindi naman na eksena naman ng madam naman.
Ikaw din
Pero
nakakita.
hindi mo naman.
Picture tayo mamaya. Wala ako na. Hello! Diba? Okay. Say hi to the vlog. Wow.
Hi vlog!
Buisitor. Charot.
So, ayan. So, parang may mga ganyan tayong elements ngayon sa office natin. Mga earth tone.
Na-invention, no?
Basic yan. Yan dali-dala. Miss me.
Actually.
Tapos, ipa-go natin. Eh, di sayang lang. Mati-charge pa tayo doon. Sabi ko, kakain. Who am I gonna call? Ghostbusters.
Bye!
Yung design at saka yung mock-up. God, may meeting pa ako isa. Nakalanto ako. Naglet!
Option naman, this is very reminiscent. Sige, ako kasi, yun all the details as well.
Jerel, I think, is checking also with Gcash until parang too much cost ba?
Here naman, so for our
First meal of the day at 3 o'clock.
Glorieta was a place where kids and
We're going to Joe Love's event.
Ay, kit-kit lang.
Anti-social kami.
Just because we're wearing green. Kaya ba pareho?
I know. Oh my God, ang cute. I know. Kamusta naman? Say hi. In fairness, malamig. Congrats, Shane.
2, 3, this is Joe Loves!
Taon call ka lang dyan, girl.
Kaya si Pedro naman kasi baka pagkagulan si Carlo.
The success of
How's your social life?
Zero.
This. Depleting.
I also lost my sense of smell and I haven't told anyone.
Back to you. Thanks. Ang tanong kasi, paano yung from top to bottom? Sila. Free fraud. Thanks, Carmi. Thanks, Carmi. Sinasagot ng mga engineer.
Bye-bye.
Halika na. Magpangko na tayo.
Like, of course, we also want you to meet your objectives and
Pag sinasabi lang yung board up, nanginginig na ako. Oh, nakita ko nga.
Turo ko na sa akin dito.
Lahat!
Ito.
Ito! Ay! Hindi natin yung pina-dry clean. Lord, ang bigat. It's just me in the office again. Shreya, nasan ka? From SSI. It's a bag that turns into a trolley. It's a toning mist, makeup removal, and setting spray. I also have this. It's gel. what's in my desk reflects what's in my head. So, eto yun. Kalat. Memo for the sale. Kasi hindi ko na kaya today. Meeting with our agency. Tapos, ano pa? Uy, naka 1 year na ako sa Glorieta, shit. It feels like it's my 10th year anniversary. Grabe, ang dami ko nang ginawa. Like, the fuck. But it was really fun. It was really fun. Super fulfilling, but girl, pagod na ako. So I need to collect my thoughts. Napkin. Nagsulat ako sa napkin. Sobrang ano. Di yan ang mga aking gagawin. Minamahal kong estranghero. 8:32 p.m. Pero ang dami ko pa rin kailangan gawin. Like 70% of the day puro akong meeting. Kunti na lang aking unanswered emails. Mga 100 plus. Char. Kunti na yun. Kunti na yun. Mag-grocery na nga tayo. Wait lang. Pinapatayan na nila ako ng ilaw. Wait. Wala nang ilaw. Oh my gosh. Dahil ang sakit na mata ko. Aray, putak na. Siyempre, kailangan pagtas. Oh. Sabi na tayo.
Yan, kuya. Doon mo lang. Doon nyo lang muna.
Si Madam.
Taga-utos. Saan? Burger King. Mura lang.
Alam ko masarap ang ano nila. Parang talk show.
Ako dito.
Talk show. Ah, diba?
Talk show ba?
Very talk show.
With stylist na yan. Sapat are your Stay hydrated. Or else you'll die. Ano ba? Tips for styling? Kaya nga.
Stay hydrated.
Or else you'll die because during ingress, there's no ventilation.
True. Sorry.
Actually, sorry. May 10 months pa nung lamig.
Good morning.
Blunt the timeline.
Mag-hi ka, Christine.
Kuya! Nakita mo yung message ko? Hindi. Ay!
Tingnan natin.
Kuya, may basahan pala.
Kahit hindi ako mother.
Oo. Mother of me.
So we're looking for flowers to surprise Arian. Hi, Arian.
Happy
Mother's Day. So let's
Happy
look for...
almost Mother's Day.
Yeah. Ito flowers. What do you think?
After food. Let's drive in.
Cute naman ito. There's more. And do you want these kinds of bouquets?
Snack na nga.
Oh, hinahanap kami mga flowers.
Ako din sa bus kanina. Hello! Ganda na kayo. There's fresh
Let's
flower.
go.
Ay, mali.
Let's go and look for Arian flowers. Yes. Effort. Arrow stands. Correct. Morning.
Mas maganda yung dread. I think kasi siya leave it talaga sa office. You think
Yeah.
she'll bring it?
Oh, basta bibigyan ka namin, Arian, surprise na ako ano.
How you feel? Natin. Kasi may tanggal ka.
Nag-minus 1 flower ka na, so kailangan mo ng replacement.
Or bawas na lang.
1/8 na lang.
Dangwa.
1/8 na lang ate.
Gago. 120. 120. Takot sa mall.
Ano ba yung tsura?
Para we can witness. Ano yung 299 dadagdag? 295 Ah, okay. So, paano natin
Or pa-pick up
itatago?
kay Kuya Nebs, tapos i-meet na lang tayo sa Kuya Nebs.
Asan ba si Arian?
Baka kasi nasa gap siya.
Oo.
Baka mamaya habang dala-dala natin, biglang magkasalubong
Yun
tayo.
nga eh. Yung sa ETC kasi, you can haggle. Picture naman. Go. Sama na ako. Chea, isang na.
Pizza per slice.
Walang first slice. Ay, meron. Ayan. 2 slice. 1 slice, 2 slice.
One lang.
It's cheaper for 2.
My sponsor.
Opo.
Gcash. Because I don't have my wallet nor my phone with me. But I have my camera. Yeah. I just have my trust.
Would have money. Wow, kasi nalingan.
Happy
Mother's Day!
Ang pala niya.
No, we do not speak of this name.
Ay, napati kuya, sabi ko.
Kasi galing kay pupunta kay Jay.
Kasi, sabi ko,
But it's yours.
oh, sweet. Picture ka namin.
Though this universe always...
Pina-arrange pa yan.
Tapos, nalimutan ko na Mother's Day nga kasi. Sabi ko, Valentine's ba? Picture. 1, 2, 3. Seriously, mo?
Yung installation natin Mother's Day.
Sabi ko pagdating, nabuti ko yung name, sabi ko, thank you. Thank you. Ako naman, ano sa naman? Take your time. Okay, take your time daw.
Ginagawa talaga namin ni Marga.
Natouch siya man. Hindi ako usually natouch siya.
Thank you so much.
What? Yeah.
Ang blurred lang. Gusto niyo? Tatlong piraso.
Love you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really?
Kain lang kain, hindi nag-aalok.
Chika sa office.
Yan lang ang number 1 chikadora dito. Yan talaga. Yan.
Merchant space doon.
Ito lang talaga ginagawa namin sa Glorieta. Kumakain.
Pwede ba kami? Hi guys. We are here inside the admin office and my cake. My cake galing Mother's Day. So what did we do ba today? Okay. More of catch up on inquiries and emails. Plus, naghanap ng flowers. Oo nga pala, naghanap ko ng flowers kayo na for Arian. So, yun. And then, maganda naman yung setup sa GAC. Very nice.
Ganda sana doon tayo nagpicture eh.
Dapat doon. Pero, you know, as mga tamad na people, sa admin office na lang kami nagpicture.
Kasi mag-set up pa ulit.
Please see the next video for the picture. Si Michael. Siya yung nag-ocular for board up. And then, si Carmen, ako, Marga. Nag-vibes lang kami sa office. Hello, Chris.
I'm single.
Me too. Your IG.
Follow me on my OnlyFans.
Hi guys, we're here sa we're here sa Glorieta Admin Office and Happy Mother's Day! Wow, akala mo naman!
Happy Mother's Day!
I remember when you first came back from Baguio, grabe.
See, never mind, Joe. Never mind. Tantawa?
Kasi parang Michael's like an actor sometimes. Parang sitcoms.
Alam mo, yung bata ko, minsan naisip ko, what if mag-artista ako? Hindi. Hindi talaga.
Ano, ang ganda nito, paano nila achieve? Gusto ko sabihin, magkikita lang tayo dalawa.
Nag-comment si ganito. Maganda daw. Pangit
Pero
daw.
ano, actually yung maganda yung ano niya.
No more.
Ay, wait till you open it. Ito sisingilin mo pa. Sisingilin mo pa sa Glorieta.
Hinihingi ko kay Carmen.
Sige, at cost na lang. Isang receiver na.
Break even lang. Ganun.
Let's check if Bali is open.
Sige, open ba sila? Picture ako ni
May DK sa ano, sa Shangri-La. DK, Shangri-La? Oo, kasi may Bali doon.